Good morning, children. You are most welcome to the language class. I am Shashwati ma'am here. In our last class, we have read chapter 1, that is common and proper noun. In common noun means that gives a name to a general name to a thing, and proper noun is a special name or the exact names given to a noun. Today we will start our lesson chapter 2, singular and plural. Singular and plural, these are the number of nouns. Numbers of noun. It shows one thing or many or more than two. Singular noun shows the nouns which shows the one thing. Only one thing will be mentioned by the singular noun. But by plural nouns, we will mention about the many things, more than one. This is the exercise of the book we will follow here. If you have got the books, you can do. Next, we will move to our PDF 1, that singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun refers to one of something, and plural noun refers more than one of the same thing or something. Rules. Rules means you have to change the singular noun. Example of singular noun is tree, house, road, bench, bridge, class, boy, girl, this way. Plural noun refers to the plurals of these words: trees, roads, bridges, houses, benches, classes, boys, girls, like this. Now here are some rules to change the singular noun to plural. We can add s to make the singular to plural, like tree, trees, road, roads, bridge, bridges. Number 2, we have to add es. We have to add es if the word of the singular noun ends with ch, dge, s, double s, x, z, double z. Example, match. Ch, the last two word is ch. Two letters are ch, so we will add es, matches. matches, matches. class, class, last two letters are double s, so class, classes. Bush, bushes, box, boxes, gas, gases. We have added es to all these words. Whenever you will find any word that ends with ch, dge, s, double s, x, z and double z, you will add es to them. Number 3 point is, if the word is ending with y, but before y it is a consonant, like b-a-b-y, y is the last letter and before that b is a consonant. So in this case we will drop y. We will not write y, we will add ies over there. We have to add ies over there. We will write b-a-b-y, baby. In plural form we will write b-a-b-i-e-s, babies. Same as lady, ladies. But in some cases, if the vowel is in front of the y, then we will add only s. We will not change it. We will not write ies, we will write only s. Like ray, ray, a is the vowel, so we are writing rays, rays. Same as boy, boys. Number 4, if the word ends with f or fe, we will drop F or FE and we will add VES to make it plural. HALF, F is the last letter, we have changed VES. If we will not write F, we will write VES. Half, halves, HALVES, halves. Knife, knives. Number B, 4 point number B, add s to some nouns ending in F or FE. We will add the F or FE is there, but we have to write s only. We will not make it VES. We will write only, add only s over there. This is a special one you have to read. Roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, cliff, cliffs, and safe, safes. See, we have added only s. You will learn this one. Number 5, add s to some noun ending with O. We have read that O, we will add es, but in some cases we have to add only s over there, like piano, pianos, radio, radios. See the spelling, Piano, we are writing Pianos. Same as radio, radios, shampoo, shampoos. The words are ending with O, but we are adding only s. Number B, 5.B, that add es to some nouns ending with O, like potato, potatoes. See the spelling, Potato, 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 potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. The same way it will go. So here is a difference. Sometimes it is adding s and sometimes it is adding es. You have to learn this. Number 6, add en. En is added in some cases of noun to make it plural, like ox, oxen, child, children. Some nouns from their plurals by adding en, like oman, omen. These are the exceptional. These also you have to learn. Mouse, mice, man, men, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Some nouns remain same when it is changed into plurals. Whenever it is changing in plural or it is in singular, you have the same will be there. Peace, peace. No s or es or anything we will not add. The same thing we will use in singular noun and same thing we will use in plural noun. Sheep. Sheep will be sheep only, deer, deer, swine, swine, pear, pear. Here are some pronouns. I, we used to change it we, because I and some other people with me together we will say we. Me, us, my, our. You, you will be you only, your. He or she will be they, him, them, his or her will be their or theirs. It will be they or them, its will be their or theirs, this, these, and that will be those. Myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself or herself will be themselves, and itself will be themselves. Here is the worksheet is given. Number 1, change the nouns from the singular to plural. Here are some singular nouns are there. You have to change it into plural. And next one is change the nouns from the plural to singular. And change the underlined nouns into the plural forms or singular form. It is vice versa. You have to change. If it is in the plural form, you will change it into singular noun, and if it is in the singular noun, you will change into plural noun. This is the full worksheet. In last class, by mistake, I have given you the answers. So today also I will give the same answers again. I will repeat the answers. You can check it over here. This was a mistake. I'm very sorry for that. I apologize to the parents for this. So, till the next class, goodbye, take care, and be happy. And study at home, make time to study.